So we got to solve the quadratic equation. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in standard form. So that means I'm going to move the 10x squared to the front. Minus 9x plus 8 is equal to 14. Then I'm going to move the 14 to the left-hand side of the equation by subtracting. Right, 8 minus 14 is negative 6. So 10x squared minus 9x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now I could try and factor that, but I think instead I'm just going to use the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And remember a, b, and c. Now that it's in standard form, I can easily see what a, b, and c are. A is 10, b is negative 9, and c is negative 6. Okay, so I'm going to just go about starting to substitute all that stuff into the formula. So negative 9, there's two negatives there, plus or minus the square root, b squared, so negative 9 squared, minus 4 times 10 times negative 6, and that's all over 2 times a. A is 10, so 2 times 10. Okay, so I'm going to go about simplifying this. Let's see. So two negatives up here make a positive, so positive 9 plus or minus the square root of 81, so plus, let's see, so 4 times 10 is 40, and then 40 times 6 is 240 over 20. And then, so I'm going to add 81 and 240. I'm going to get 321. So that's equal to 9 plus or minus the square root of 321 over 20. Now 321 is going to have some factors. Let's see if we can break that apart and simplify a little bit. So 321, if I break it apart, I know you're going to be able to divide it by 3. That's going to give you 107. So 107 prime. Let's say is 107 prime. It is a prime number. Okay, so there actually is no way you could break that up, so that means that this is your final answer.